السلام عليكم جميعا. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor for me to be here today with you in the 7th Ashram Annual Conference. It's a great opportunity to meet different colleagues from different industries. You make it very difficult for me, Sheikh Khalid, where is he, when he shared his depth of knowledge about generative AI and AI itself. But in my presentation today, I will walk you through a journey about digital transformation and the shift towards artificial intelligence. And I will leave you at the end with some of success stories and use cases being applied in my organization, SCC. Before digging deep in digital transformation and AI, I would like to shed the light on the history about digital transformation. Maybe some of you will be surprised that digital transformation starts back in 40s and 50s with the introduction of analog record. Then it got evolved throughout the years to shift from analog records and system to digital files back in 70s, and accelerated to the World Wide Web and websites back in 90s until we reach today with the availability of different digital channels like smartphones, social media, interconnected networks, software, platforms. So mainly digital transformation is not a luxury anymore. In fact, it became as an integral part not only in our business, but also in our life. And I believe it will continue with us for the upcoming decades. What is digital transformation? Digital transformation used to be a buzzword in the business context for the recent years. We all know that there is no a specific or a standard definition of digital transformation. There are different strategies, different models, different frameworks, and each company has its own way of defining digital transformation. However, what in common about digital transformation that it requires a new paradigm shift in the way we think, in the way we act in our business. Digital transformation is very critical for any organization, not only to compete, but also to survive and thrive. The evolution of digital transformation comes in 3 terms, and it can be interpreted into one. However, digitalization is different than digital transformation. Mainly digitization, it's about the conversion of analog data sources to digital file. Digitalization is about utilizing digital technologies and digital data to improve or enhance business processes. But the digital transformation, it is the integration of technology and data in all areas of a business. It requires organization to change the way they operate, to change the way they are delivering value to the customer. So it's mainly any organization who's having a digital transformation need to challenge the status quo with more experiments and more innovation. This is a very simple view about digital transformation framework. I know maybe some of you will say, Lama is talking about digital transformation, and we used to listen about artificial intelligence. I'm going to tell you why the shift from digital transformation to AI. This is a very simple view about the framework of digital transformation. It's not only about new technology tools available in the market. It is a comprehensive framework that impact organization from structure perspective, from people and people mindset, from processes, and all other aspects on running business. There are different formulas and different modules, and each model has its philosophy. But among all models, there are common factors and common, let's say, components that define digital transformation. And from my point of view, digital transformation is a complex, is an integrated system of every aspect in organization that need to work in a harmony, starting from building the strategy of digital transformation, make our culture adopting this strategy, engaging our core asset, our people, internal customer and external customer, also making our processes more flexible, more agile, more technology-oriented, and capitalizing on innovation in order even to enhance or introduce new processes, and definitely with using digital technologies, and leveraging on the power of data to enhance our decision. So mainly those are a major or common components of any digital transformation formula. If I want to zoom in on digital technologies, we know that there are examples of digital technologies, automation to enhance business operation. We have artificial intelligence, and I'm going to take you through details about AI in the upcoming slide. Business intelligence, which is the visualization of the big volume of data to enhance the decision. Cloud computing is about accessing data from anywhere as soon as we are connected to an internet. And cybersecurity is very important, where organizations need to protect their data and have more privacy, especially when they are using new technologies. Those are big enablers for digital transformation. Talking about mobility, which means smartphones, mobile, laptops, Internet of Things, the connection of device and networks is considered as a big enabler for digital transformation. The big data, and we're talking about big data, we used to introduce our data in letters and numbers only. But nowadays, data comes in different shape and in different forms, come in images, in voice notes, in videos, and all these shape and forms of data will be utilized as a strong enabler for our digital transformation. Analytics with different level of analysis, starting from descriptive analysis to predictive analysis, and definitely social media, where it's been utilized by most of our human in the worldwide. Now, this is about digital transformation. What about artificial intelligence? I want to start with asking you, is AI good or bad? Honestly speaking, I don't know. If my son hear me now, he'll be shocked. Elon Musk said, the CEO of Tesla, that AI is likely to be either the best or worst thing to happen to humanity. And I tend to agree with him. It could be better if it's being utilized properly, and it could be bad, affecting humanity, if it's being utilized in a wrong manner. So we have to be very careful when we use AI. Because I'm talking bad about AI or what? The rate of improvement for AI is very exponential. So what is AI? First of all, let me just tell you that AI is very linked to digital transformation, even if we try to separate them. AI considered as a heart of digital transformation. It is simply the simulation of human intelligence, like machine learning, like NLP, natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics. AI, it's utilized to solve and perform a complex task, to perform a repetitive or non-repetitive task. There are two types of AI. There is a narrow AI, and it's also called a weak AI, and it's a system that asks to perform a specific task. And there is another type called general AI, which is also known as a strong AI. I was talking about you, Sheikh Khalid, just a few minutes ago. يعطيك العافية. General AI, also known as a strong AI, which is a system used to perform with a very human intelligence that can perform tasks like a human being can do. So generally, AI will help our organization to analyze data and also to unlock new potential for every enterprise. It can be work independently, but it depends with human interaction by feeding the AI with a lot of training, or train AI with the data. And I totally agree with you that there is efficiency comes from AI, but effectiveness comes from people. Based on the BCG article published, AI can improve our lives. Can improve our lives in different industries, different activities. And if I want to pick one of the examples listed here, let's talk about the quality of our life. AI can improve the quality of our life, as generative AI, for example, can save time, allow us to learn new skills, enhance our creativity, and also help us to bring a sustainable solution, for example, to address a climate change, to forecast hazards. And very important to mention that AI also can enhance customer experience by predicting customer behaviors. And different aspects in our life get impacted and reshaped by AI, like safety and security, education, learning, communications, and a lot. What is the advantages of using AI? Definitely, AI will enhance and improve our decision-making as it's processing big amount of data in real time. It will increase efficiency because it's streamlining workflows and processes, and also reduce operational costs and failure costs with improving our customer experience. We are providing 24/7, for example, services to our customer using chatbot as an example. And also we can predict customer demands and customer needs based on the data we are feeding the AI with. And last but not least, it helps also scientists and researchers to analyze big amount of data in a very fast manner. And definitely a lot of advantages to come with AI. Those are the advantages. But how we can make sure to implement a very effective and successful AI techniques or AI strategy? According to Gartner research, some of the companies, they are doing a mistake by introducing AI strategy and utilizing or buying a platform available in the market even before identifying business issues or organizational issues. So these are 5 main steps, according to Gartner research, how we can make sure that we have a very effective AI techniques or AI strategy. We have to start with identifying our problem statement, which we will consider it as an AI use case. Then we have to bring the right people with the right skills to start perform the selected use case, and gather the appropriate data related to the selected use case with using the right techniques and technology, and at the end sharing the result and transfer the knowledge of the AI know-how. I will give you a very good example, which is, I think, available in many organizations. You know, after the pandemic hits us, most of the companies introduced the policy of remote working, right? And some of the organizations, they face difficulty to measure the productivity of employees who's working remotely, for remote workers. So this is considered as a use case where we can utilize AI techniques and technology to come up with a solution to measure employees' productivity. We bring the right people with the right skills for this use case. They will gather the related data for measuring employees' productivity, and then they will come up with a result and share it with all organizational leaders. How we can apply AI in HR? AI can be applied in the HR value chain from hire to retire. If we want to take, for example, the recruitment, generative AI can perform the creation of job description. AI can help us to search for the right candidate and applicant, and also can simulate an initial interview as a robot for the selected candidate. If we are talking about onboarding, AI can also generate a personalized onboarding material for employees based on their role and based on their department. Talking about training and development, can also develop a personalized training based on employees' performance data and based on also employees' learning styles. If we are talking about performance, generative AI can generate smart KPIs for employees and organizations, and also, and last but not least, can also generate policy documentation for employees. And I will share with you one of our success story for policies when it comes to AI utilization. Our commitment in STC, we are a digital company. We used to be known as a telecom company, but we are a digital company. Our commitment is to leverage on AI to create a unique product and services for our customers, our internal and external customers, in order to enhance their experience, leveraging on the power of data in order to drive our decisions, and also have a continuous improvement for different products and services using the agile processes. Here are some real examples and use cases we have done in STC. I will start with sharing with you the Smart KPI engine. It is an AI use case. We use a generative AI to help analyze and generate smart KPI recommendations. The real impact of this use case that our HR business partner started to track and manage employees' smart KPIs. Another use case, I'm talking about HR chatbot. It helps and support employees answering their concerns. The impact is enhancing the experience of our employees, the level of their satisfaction, and also increase business and operation efficiency. This specific chatbot has two parts. We introduced the chatbot of HR with frequently asked questions based on a lot of queries comes in our call center. And we have also a chatbot for e-services. I'm almost done. For e-services. Another use case talking about talent heat map. I don't know, I cannot recall who talked about the segmentation. We developed an advanced analytics use case to segment our employees based on different factors. Based on their promotion, based on their grade, based on their performance. And by utilizing this talent heat map, we improve the decision making when it comes to develop employees in different skills. We have employees allocated in blue segment, in green segment, in orange segment, and pink segment. Based on the allocation of those employees, we decided how we can enhance their skills and improve their career growth. Another use case, it's the employee burnout analytics. This is very important. We utilize this prediction to predict the burnout, if it's low risk, medium risk, or high risk burnout. And we link it with another use cases in order to make sure that we retain our top talent in the organization. Last use case I would like to share with you, which is the employee attrition prediction. It is a machine learning model. We developed this machine learning model in order to predict the potential attrition of our employees based on different factors. This proactively done by our analytics team, and it's worth to mention that the accuracy level of this use case is above 82%. We are utilizing this, we are linking this with the burnout, we are linking this with the talent heat map, and it's improve our decision in different manners. How we are rating our employees by the end of the year, what kind of tools that we have to utilize in order to retain them. By this, I'm ending my presentation, and I want to leave you with some tips and advices, and I will leave it for me first and for you all. AI is no more an option, it's a must. Start now if you didn't start. It's never too late. And when you start small and scale up gradually, and invest in AI capabilities and make sure you have a proper change management for your people to adopt AI. يعطيكم العافية والسلام عليكم.